Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're a part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we love to have you over here. Okay, it is free 99. It costs you nothing. Zip zero nada. It costs you nothing to press that subscribe button, and we'd be grateful to have you. Okay, so over here, we are usually doing a hybrid system of budgeting and cash stuffing. So if any of that piques your interest, I use Google Sheets to budget with. I use the simplest system I can for me. It makes it easy. So if any of that resonates with you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for my oldies but goodies. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, because why not? Y'all know I like to talk to y'all. And make sure your notification bells are on. So let's get into this. This should not be a long video. We're just going to be here to update our tracker for our emergency fund. If you've been following along, I'm pretty sure y'all know we hit that emergency fund, baby. But we were also waiting to make sure that person that had borrowed money sent back the money and that all is well. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Okay, I'm hyped today. Let's be hype. So the last time we were here, we had $2,744.78 in there. The log shows, that we had the last couple transactions for November were $34.36 in savings, 25 to savings, not 59 cents in interest. Get y'all interest, baby. $90 completing cash envelope stuffing, like extra rollovers from my cash envelopes, and $25 from saving. If we look over here in the bank, we see that 59 cents and the $90 were some of our last transactions, which has a balance of $2,744.78, like we said over here. So let's go ahead and log in all the things that we have for December. So first and foremost, we have December 14th here. Click the button. December 14th, we put in $17.39. Right here, and that was from our emergency fund, as we're working on, and that was definitely from a rollover amount. I remember that, a rollover amount from that paycheck. Then we have $100. Yes, on December 14th check, we had $100 extra to go in. 14th, which was great because we normally only have $25, so we put an extra $75 in. You know, we love that for us. Okay, and then that was also what going to the emergency fund, and that was from saving, just our general what we save. We normally just save 25, so it was nice to put an additional 75. Then we had to loan out $1,000. This person has asked before. They sent it back. We weren't worried. They were actually a week late on returning it, but they also let me know ahead of time what happened, and so that's awesome. Next, we have $150 that on 12/28's paycheck, which was our extra paycheck. Come on, third paycheck of the month. We put $150 over because we calculated as long as I got our $1,000 back in our account, that would hit the $3,000 mark. So at that point, we were down up to 2017, and so that was also part of our saving. Normally we put 25, so that time we're able to put 125 extra. Come through, Jesus. Okay, and then you see the $1,000 came back. We back like we never left back. We back. Okay, so the money came back. And do y'all see our total? Do you see our total, baby? $3,012.17. So let's go back to our savings log, and boom, shakalaka. The chief rocker said, boom, shakalaka. Here comes the chief rocker. We got $3,012.17. Y'all know what that means? Do y'all know? Oh, wait a minute. We can ring my bell, ding ding, ring-a-ling-a-ling. Okay, Bunny, who knows different ways to save money. Okay, my girl Bunny, hop into it with Bunny Budgets over there. She sent me that bell. That's Happy Mail, and y'all about to be aggy because every time on this particular, because I can't edit or nothing and put the one I want to edit up there, but every time this bell, let me just leave it up here. Let me just Okay. So you guys, we did it. And I told y'all already, we are going to be so excited, in our Kevin Hart voice, okay? About every little win, every big win. Okay, Baby Emergency Fund is normally what? $1,000 due to if you follow the Dave Ramsey program. For me, since I don't have like a house savings, for me, I don't have like an emergency house savings yet. For me, 3,000 felt a little better for me because I have to cover whatever happens in the house. And we know if you got a house, 3,000 ain't really gonna do usually much or nothing. But something is better than nothing. So let me know down in the comments, y'all. Did you save 1 penny, 20 cents, 25, 30 cents, $10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 20K, 10K, 15K, 30K, 5K, 6K. I don't care how many Ks. I don't care how many cents. Let me know down below what you saved. Be happy in where you are. If you just started and you saved 20, 25, $100 this year, because you just started, you should be happy because you know what you had last year? Probably $0. Okay? Probably zero. So you started from the zero, now you're here. Be excited for that. Don't compare yourself to anybody. Don't look around about what everybody else did. I could look around and be like, ooh, that person saved 5. Ooh, that person saved 10. But you know what, y'all? We have been through the fire. Through the fire. Through the okay, we have been through it. Y'all saw the car got hit, rear-ended. Okay. Then we had to get a brand new car, and we had already paid that car off in 2020. We didn't even get that many years in it. You know what I'm saying? Then we had a brand new car with a $400 payment, almost $500 payment. Took all the money. Then we had the health insurance go up over here. Okay. And then we had that negative budget already. And then the student loan had the nerve to start back again. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? We have been through it, but you know what? We are still here and still managed to save that $3,000. So me in my house, and me and my house is just me. I am very happy, and I want you to be this happy, this hype. Let me know your achievements so I can be this hype for you down in the comments. Let's go, okay? And if you didn't do so well with your saving this year, okay, 2024 is literally in a couple days. It's December 30th today. It's in a couple days. You got this for next year. Just keep moving. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great. You have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Y'all know I couldn't do this without y'all encouragement and your comments and your love. I really couldn't. Y'all don't understand. Y'all keep me on my toes. And it's faith over fear this year, but what? Not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a. Bye. Love you, mean it, boy.